Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very simple meal, a simple fried rice noodle. You can use any brand you prefer, there is no particular brand. So by coincidence I only can get this brand at my nearby grocery store. Okay, let's start our cooking for today. Let's begin by rehydrating the dried rice noodles. Immerse them in a bowl of lukewarm water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Allowing them to soften and become pliable. After it is already tender but not mushy, pour out the soaking water from the mixing bowl and set aside. I have prepared these essential ingredients while the noodles soak. You'll need a splash of water and a glug of cooking oil, a pinch of salt, a crack of coarse white pepper, a drizzle of sweet and light soya sauce. Next, thinly sliced shiitake mushrooms, a cup of carrots also slices, and some shredded cabbage. Another optional, crispy onions. And to make cooking easier, mix these pale and tasteless noodles with some light soya sauce and then sweet soya sauce, stirring to combine, and then set aside. Heat a frying pan over medium-high heat. I'm trying to avoid this reflection on my lens. Once hot, add a generous splash of cooking oil. Let's toss in the shiitake mushrooms. And let them sizzle until golden brown. A process that should take about 3 minutes. Join the party with the grated or sliced carrots. Cooking for 1 to 2 minutes until tender or crisp. Finally, introduce the shredded cabbage. Wilting it for about a minute. Season this colorful medley with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. You may skip this last ingredient if you don't like it or you are cooking for kids. Now it's time to tackle the star of the show, the rice noodles. Add them to the sizzling pan. Continuously stir fry, ensuring every noodle is coated in the savory sauce. To prevent dryness, gradually add a small amount of water. Stirring until the noodles absorb the liquid. Continue cooking for another 2 minutes or until the noodles reach your desired texture. If you crave an extra kick, feel free to add more pepper. Switch off the heat. Do a little saute to avoid sticking on the base. So guys, today we are learning how to make a beautiful unbroken fried rice noodles. For an optional flavor boost, garnish with crispy fried or roasted onions. Their caramelized sweetness complements the dish beautifully. Look, unbroken noodles. Serve your homemade fried rice noodles hot and enjoy the delightful combination of textures and tastes. For an extra spicy kick, pair it with a side of fiery chili and a splash of soya sauce. Would you like to add any specific details about the appearance, aroma, or taste of the dish? Feel free to comment. Here is for today's recipe. Simple fried rice noodle. Try it, okay? Please don't forget to also like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Here is the fried rice